Hey guys, it's kind of late, so I have to keep my voice a little bit down. By kind of late, I mean it's after 11 at night here. But I really quick wanted to put something together, you know, just to let you know my thoughts and ideas about where the channel can go and what can happen. It's interesting to think about it because I remember sitting here, well, not here, or was it here? Yeah, I think it was actually just in this very same room a year ago, and not knowing what to do or where I wanted to go or anything like that. And now I'm looking into, college again. The first time didn't really work out, but I won't go into that. It's not fair, it's not right, and I don't want to slander any, or have people think I'm trying to slander someone when I'm really not. Let's just say I did not have the best first experience of college. I went right after I graduated high school, and I still really wasn't sure where I wanted to go or what I wanted to do. And that being said, I've been out of school since 2014, December of 2014. So it's been over a year now that I've actually been out of school. And originally I was going for medicine. I wanted to be a doctor. When I was younger, I wanted to be a vet, And I did technically, or I do have some medical training rather. I did a 2-year program in high school, which counted technically, I guess, as a 2-year college degree, so technically I have that as something. Sorry, it's really late and I'm tired. So that's something too. And then, but I want something else. So, I'm going back to school, hopefully in the fall. But I'll update you on that closer to when it's going to happen. But I just got to thinking today, about where I was last year this time, and, I was still in the same room, but, doing the completely different things. I had no idea where I wanted to go, what I wanted to do. I had just gotten out of the school where I had made a lot of friends. So I didn't really, I didn't know what to do, or, I didn't have a fallback plan. And it's taken me until now to realize what I want to do. It, took a while to formulate an idea and to go for it. But I'm going back for English. Creative writing, actually. I already write online, stories and just random things like that. Nothing too great. If you guys want, I'll put the link down in the description so you can go look at some of the stuff I've written in the past. That being said, I'm sorry I'm all over the place tonight, guys. I'm not thinking right. I'm real tired and I'm sick and it just isn't working out too good. So that's fall. I'm going to do that. Go back to school, or I'm going to try to go in fall. And then we have my PAX trip in April. Like I said, I'm just going, in the last video, I had said I was going and I told you guys, but I'm only, as I said in the last video, I'm only going to be another face in the crowd, so I'm not really sure you know, what's going to happen on that front. I'm sorry for all the long silences, guys. I mean, you oh, you guys might not even notice them. I might have taken them out by the time you see this, so who knows. Another thing is, a year ago I used to only watch videos on YouTube. I didn't think I could make YouTube or videos on YouTube. I've always been camera shy, actually, so that's fun, and I hate, because I still can't. I hate public speaking. I hate talking in front of large crowds. I get tongue-tied very easily. There's just a lot of things I don't like. So, yeah, it was just something I never thought I could do. But one day I kind of sat down and I was like, oh, well, why not? And, you know, originally I had started with a friend. We had talked about it and everything. Since then we've had a few falling outs. Pretty severe ones. She won't be returning to any videos. She no longer has any access to anything to do with the channel at all. It's all me and all you guys. This year, before fall, before, you know, too much longer, I want to get gaming content up. That would still be off my phone for right now. Oh, here. Phone. I no longer use it to videotape. There's the proof for you guys, in case any of you didn't really believe me. Although the camcorder audio should have been proof enough for that one. Yeah, I want to try and get gaming content up, and I want to try and get, you know, some collabs up and stuff, just so we have different content available, different things for each person. I already put up one unboxing video. Right now I have one other nerd block to do, and that's it for now. I haven't really been able to get any other ones. That being said, eventually I'll, you know, come up with other ideas and of things to do. So, you know, it won't always just be me sitting here talking to a camera as I forget what I was going to say and, you know, have stammer and say, you know, and leave long silences. But that being said right there, I also have an idea, and maybe you guys can comment down below your thoughts on it. I was thinking about going through my computer, which is right there. It's on and open, because I was listening to music before this. I was thinking about going through my computer and making a video of just like all of the different pictures of my cats and like the different pictures and videos of my cats, put them into one, or, you know, a bunch of just random different videos of different pictures I've taken or gotten over the years since I've had this computer and other computers, because I've literally dumped like 3 computers into this one. So that's always a good thing when you have 8 zillion pictures. No joke. Really, no joke. I probably have that many. But yeah, next, well, not next, I'm trying to revamp my upload schedule a little bit. I'm going to attempt to get videos up more often and more, more often and more regularly. Like I said, it's late and I'm tired. I'm sorry, guys. So you guys can start to know when the content's coming out, can know when I'll be posting videos. And I mean, I've tried my best since I started back in, September, October, to keep content regular and going up. And if I've missed an upload, I've tried to, double back and put something else up with the video for the current week or whatever. But it wasn't working, and it got to be too much. And, now I actually have a proper camera and, a proper idea of how to do things, I suppose. So, I don't know. Alright, guys. I guess, that's it for now. Again, if you haven't already done so, go give Mega Man OC person, that's capital M, capital O, capital C, a look-see, ha ha ha. She's on YouTube. I'm not sure where else she is. I'll try and find out that information for the next time. But she's really amazing at what she does. She does a lot of fantastic art. A lot of, sketches and things. I know she sells stuff. So go see her work, see what she does. Give her a look. But right now, I guess that's it, guys. If there's more, there probably will be. I'll add it on at the end. See you for now, guys. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, or well, hey again. Anyways, I got to thinking again, and I know thinking. I do that, and then I do weird, and then I think of weird things. And just random things in general. Like I'm doing my best, with music and everything. You can find us by this name, Geeks-Are-Us, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, in 2 different places on Facebook. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, and we actually have Snapchat too! Dude! So you can find us there all over the place. Oh my god. Well, I say us, and it's just me, but whatever. Anyways, like I was talking about earlier, Mega Man OC person, capital M, lowercase EGA, capital OC, lowercase PERSON, has a YouTube, and she also has the Vienna Facebook. Sorry. Still sick. It sucks. It really does. And Twitter. So go check her out. Go see, what she's doing. See if you like anything. She's a wonderful person. Honestly, I can count her in one of my very few friends that I have. And, I can even count her... Whoa, that was the wrong way. I can even count her as, like, one of my best friends. So, go see what she's doing. Go give her a look. And, guys, just have a wonderful day, okay? I know I always put it in at the end, but I'm not sure how many of you actually look at the end or watch all the way to the end of my videos. So I'll say it here as I'm saying bye. Bye, guys. Love you. Love you all. Have a wonderful night, day, morning, evening, whatever it may be for you. I'm in a bit of a good mood, but also kind of not really. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Oh well. Bye, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. Editing it. I don't have a watch, so don't ask me questions. Editing it soon, and you need to keep your mouth shut. Nasty. Shame her! Shame her!
She thought I was gonna slap her.
Nah. Nah, she's all good.
What's on screen is absolutely delicious.
Anyways, we got done eating dinner. I don't even know how long ago. Like,
10 minutes ago?
nah, like an hour. Like, almost 2 hours, actually. And so I just wanted to, you know, get tonight's editing marathon started. Because I'm got a little something secret working out, too, for all y'all guys. All y'all guys.
All y'alls. All y'alls.
I cannot English proper now, can I? Eh. There we go. Kind of. Wrong way. There we go. Anyways, yeah. So that was interesting. Got something special in the works, in the plans for you guys. I think she just drooled on my head. Which will be up. That'll be up in the next 3 days. This video should be up in the next couple hours. Hopefully before midnight, but you know, my upload times are never before midnight. Thank you to both my editors programs and the upload times on that one. Anyways, I think this is already going to be a word much video. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about going and adding the pictures in at the end again, like I usually do. But maybe with... I don't know. I'll have to look at the music I have. Okay, guys. Alright. Love you guys. Bye!